Hello there, I'm the new storyteller, and I've got a surprise for you. There's two new models called Kate and Lou. Both of them have been undercoated and overcoated. Kate's purple, Lou's red, and I've made Kate's eyes out of paper, but Lou's eyes are not made out of paper, they're made from this tube of eyes. The names have been stuck on them. They've got some mouths, ropes for noses. Both of them have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows for the passengers to sit in and look out to see water surrounding them, or underneath them. You'll be seeing them in the future videos, as I'm thinking of doing a second series of Ferry boat thread. The collection's not finished yet because tonight I was doing Bill, but even though I've undercoated him and made some window frames and put on some eyes, he's not ready. So I'll see you in the next video. Good night. I almost forgot to mention that I've made some mouths for Lou and Bill. Every model needs to have a face of feeling changing. And there are Kate's mouths and Fred's frightened mouth. It's a scary mouth, actually.